welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video we are going to be talking all about this baby right here, and this is the June Boxy Charm, and I got this as part of their PR. They actually contacted me and asked me if I wanted to be part of their PR, and I of course said yes because I've been loving everything that I'm getting each month. Each month is actually my favorite every time I get a new box, and I subscribed like 3 months ago, and I've just been doing a lot of videos about it, and I guess they saw it, they liked it, so they contacted me. So thank you guys so much. Thank you BoxyCharm for this. But before I jump right to it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos. I do a lot of beauty reviews, tutorials, so check out my past videos. Also, I am currently doing a giveaway, actually 2 giveaways on my Instagram channel. I am doing an international giveaway and also a US only makeup giveaway. So check it out for a chance to win, and follow me on my other social media channels. I will put the link down in the description box. Alright, let's jump right to it. Alright guys, so if you don't know what BoxyCharm is actually a subscription beauty box. You actually get 4 to 5 full-sized items, and sometimes when they're nice, they will throw in some extra stuff. Extra stuff in there for you guys to kind of be surprised. So I'm actually very surprised this month because they did pack a lot in this little box right here, and there's different types of payment plans depending on what you can afford. So if you can only afford the $20 a month, you can do that. I think it's actually 21 and some change each month, but of course the more you increase the months, the better and the cheaper it is because you're paying in advance. Alright, so let's jump into the actual BoxyCharm and what they have in here. So the first product in here that I want to talk about is the Alomar palette. This one, guys, is so beautiful. So this is what it looks like. So it is an actual full-size palette, and this is a brand new company, guys, and this is the Alomar Cosmetics, and this is the Reina del Caribe Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. So you do get 2, 4, 6, 8 eyeshadows in here. All of them are in my eyes, and I use this shade right here as my highlight, and it's actually so beautiful and so vibrant. So whenever I look at these eyeshadows, I think of the tropics and the islands and the blue water. It just looks so beautiful, doesn't it? And these are the swatches for that. And as you can see, they're really pigmented. They're really nice. Upon using them, they blended really nicely on the lids. I had no problem with fallout. Actually, there was a little fallout, but like with any palette, it's gonna do that, you know? So I didn't really have much fallout, and it was just, you know, like a breeze to use this palette. And I just love it. The only thing that I would say with this palette is it doesn't have like that medium brown shade for a transition, but for the most part, this is a perfect palette for the summer. It has your colors in it, it has the warm tones in it, and these shades right here, the shimmery shades, you don't really need to wet them because it has its own shine that just builds in there, and when you apply it on your lids, it's actually really buildable, that whatever you see on here on this palette is actually whatever you see on your lids. So, and even the matte shades are actually really nice. They're blendable. I thought that they were gonna be chalky, but no, they're not chalky at all. They're beautiful. They went on the lids really nicely. So these shade right here, this berry shade and this orange shade right here, I mixed them together to create a nice transition shade, and that's what you're seeing on top there, and it looks really beautiful. So, and the price on this, if you buy it on its own, it's $28, and that's basically the price of the box in itself and more. So that's amazing. That's really amazing. I don't know how they do it. The second product in here is the Battington lashes. I actually have this on my eyes right now, but here's the packaging. The packaging is really cute. So this is what it looks like, and then your lashes goes in there. And the lashes that I got is Monroe Silk Lashes. I actually didn't have to cut the lashes on this one, and it just, you know, fit on my eyes really beautifully, so that's amazing. But what it says here, the 3D multi-layered Battington Monroe Silk Lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. So these lashes are actually really nice. The length on this is really good. I would use this more for daytime than nighttime, but it's really nice. It's like great for daytime glam type of thing. So I really like it. It's really simple, it's safe, and it's, again, lightweight, so that's what I love about it. And this, if you buy alone, is $28. So the next product in here is I would say like a trial size, maybe, right? And this one is sold at Jeneiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And this is what it looks like. So it's actually really cute. So I believe this is half the size of the full-size item. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. So this one is $10. I know that they sell this at Sephora, and oh my gosh, this smells amazing, guys, like amazing. So that's what it looks like right there. It's so creamy, and when you apply it on your skin, it smells like vacation. It just smells so amazing. It's like butter lotion type of thing, and I just love any type of creamy consistency that hydrates your skin. So this is really good. This is great for traveling, and I love it. Alright, so the next product in here is the Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion. Okay, so they come in this. This is what they look like. And I really like these. I use these today as well. And they have, let me just take them out. And they have the Precision Foundation, which looks like this. This is more tapered, and then it's a little fatter than your traditional foundation brush, which I like, and it has a little give to it. The second one in here is the tapered highlighter, and this one works really well as a highlighting brush, and I love it. I just love the way it applies. And the third one is the Duo Fiber Powder. So this is what it looks like, and this one is also tapered on top, and I use this mostly to bronze my face, and there's no shedding or anything. The only thing that I would say is that it does have a little bit of a scent to it, like I don't know, like a not really great smell. So I mean, you can always wash those and it will wash off. But it says in here, the Precision Foundation Brush 660 with less bristle density. This brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundation to create a soft, diffused makeup look. The Tapered Highlighting Face Brush 522. This fluffy tapered brush allows you to seamlessly apply your favorite powder highlighter to the high points of your face or set your under eye makeup. The Duo Fiber Powder Brush 516. Use this ultra soft Duo Fiber brush to apply cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. So that's awesome. And the set, if you buy that alone, is $42, and that's a lot. Okay, so the next one in here is the Jonteblue Waterproof Eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. I'm not too excited about this one. I like the Jonteblue lip liner, but this eyeliner is a little dry for me. So this is what it looks like. And this one is called Charcoal Pencil Eyeliner. So it's not the blackest black. So that's what it looks like. I had a little hard time applying this in my waterline. And I don't know, it just wasn't really working for me. And this one says it's 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil, glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. use along the upper lash line or waterline. And this one is $5 if you buy this alone. Alright guys, so the last product in here is the Girlactik Lip Paint. And this is what it looks like. And this shade is really pretty. It's called Blossom. And it has a nice doe foot applicator in there. And this is what it looks like. It's actually on my lips right now. So that's what you're seeing right there. And this is what it looks like when it's dry. So it's actually really, really beautiful, and it's opaque. This one is more on the liquidy side, so if you like those moussey matte consistency, this may not be for you, but I don't mind it. The only one thing that I would say is that, again, it is a little drying. It has a little moisture in it, like I can feel a little bit of a give to it, but my lips are very dry, so you can see the lines on my lips. And if you buy this alone, it's $23. So it says here, apply this richly pigmented lip paint onto your lips, and within 1 minute it will dry down to a beautiful matte color that will noticeably dramatic without the dryness or flaking. Okay, so the total of this month's BoxyCharm is $136. And if you really think about it, you're only paying $20 a month, which is a fraction of the price. And that's really amazing. I don't know how they do it. And from all of the BoxyCharm boxes that I've gotten, I think this is my favorite yet again. So we'll see next month and we'll find out if that is actually my favorite one. Alright guys, so that is it. Let me know what you're most excited about in this BoxyCharm, and I will see you guys again in my next video. And I love you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my other social media channels. I love you all. Bye.